Alright, I've always wanted to check this place out. I hope you can hear me. It's the Old Country Market, or Goats on a Roof. There are always goats on the grass roof here. Only in the summertime, unfortunately, though. But yeah, cool place. We're going to go in and check it out. I thought that lady was waving at me. But anyway, I hate filming in public places. Spikes my social anxiety every time. So I just did a quick walkthrough and I got out of there. Alright, well, that was a cool little store for a nice little town. Got the sticker, Goats on a Roof. But yeah, we are off to Van Toys. Check out Chrome Shop. Let's go. How's it going, man?
Good, man. How you doing?
Good. Rosie? Hi, how are you? It's okay. She gets jealous, obviously.
Why are you so jealous?
Why are you so jealous, Uma? It's just Cruzy. You see him on TV every night. Sticker time.
There's lots of them there. The madness.
Taking proprietary
Right,
video.
that was great meeting Chrome yesterday. That was so cool. I've watched him for years, since I've been doing van life, basically. Like I said, I wish I had started my channel in 2017, but so be it. But anyway, yeah, that was cool seeing his shop live and everything else. It was so surreal going in there, you know, watching it on video for years and finally being there. It was so different. But yeah, really cool meeting him. Super nice guy. Sat around, chatted for like an hour, and yeah, so I was going to leave the island today, but I'm in no rush. I might as well stay. I want to be back in Revelstoke for the weekend to vote, obviously, on Monday, but I got no reason to rush to get out of here, so I think I'm going to go up to Horn Lake, I think it is, and go camping up there for a couple days. Why not? It's a beautiful spot. Been there before as well, and yeah, looks like it's going to be nice for the next couple days. So we're just in the Tim Horton lineup right now, and we're getting out of here. Come along for the ride.
Alright, let's get registered. Hopefully there's a good campsite on the beach so I can throw the Starlink up. Let's go find out.
Alright, there was nobody there to check in, so hopefully we can just drive around and pick a site. What I'm doing anyway. Soon find out.
I think this is a much better spot. Let's go check it out. Nice. What do you think, Uma? You like it? Yeah, not bad at all. I think this is better than being on a ferry today for sure. Nice, beautiful, sunny day. I can get solar panels out. I'm definitely glad I got this spot for sure. Wide open sky for Starlink, and wide open sky for solar. It's a beautiful thing. I'm gonna get all my solar set up. I think my Blue Eddy needs charging. I've been using that a lot for cooking lately, for using the air fryer, just so I'm not sucking all the power out of the batteries. And yeah, the Starlink runs on 12 volts. So that's not an issue at all. That thing only pulls 2 amps at the most. And yeah, so solar panels, Blue Eddy, get everything charged up, And I can relax for a little bit. Nice. There we go. Perfection. Got the mat out. Got both solar panels out. Blue Eddy's charging. Life is good. Now time to relax. Good morning. It was a beautiful sleep by the lake. Yeah, just wanted to show you the swag I got from Chrome's shop. One of his unreleased shirts. Or pre-release, I guess I should say, for the Van Toy Store. Pretty cool. Got a bunch of stickers too, of course. But yeah, what a beautiful morning. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to say was thanks to all the new subscribers from Chrome's channel. Really appreciate all you guys subscribing. It was great to meet him, like I said. And yeah, hopefully you guys hang around and enjoy my channel as well. But we're about to take Miss Uma for a walk. So let's go to the forest. Do you want to go for a walk? Yeah, you like walks, don't you? Oh my goodness. You ready to go? Alright, so apparently according to the weather app, it's going to be the warmest day since I've been on Vancouver Island. Nice. It'll be nice to hang out outside and feel the warmth for once instead of being cold and chilly all the time. But yeah, check out this place. What a beautiful place to go for a walk again. No waterfalls this time, but I love all the moss on everything and the canopy. Huge trees, all ferns, all the smells from Miss Uma. So nice. Peaceful morning walk to zen out a little bit and go back for another coffee. Another thing I always like to ask lately is where's everybody watching from? Leave it in the comments below. I always like to know where everybody's watching from. Whether you're in Canada, or the States, or England, or Australia, or wherever. Let me know. Quick little walk. I don't have any of those today since it's going to be so nice out. I think I can almost take my hoodie off. It's going to be so nice, even right now. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful. All right, so my coffee routine. I have a Berkey that I filter all my water through so it always tastes the same no matter where I am. This thing's done me great over all the years that I've had it. Never had to replace the filter. I clean them a couple times a year, but I haven't replaced them yet. Some ridiculous amount of gallons, like 10,000 or 20,000 gallons that you don't have to change the filter for. But I like it. And I'm still old school on how I make my coffee. I just do it a pot of water. I don't need a kettle or another appliance in here. I got too much crap already. And I do the pour over method. Still like that way. I don't like those pods. I think they're a waste for the environment. And I used to have a coffee maker, like a single serve coffee maker thing. But I didn't like that either. It didn't taste good. Pour over tastes best for me. I always put a little bit of cinnamon in my coffee. Nice. So yeah, that is how I make my coffee. And I can't wait for this nice day to take the hoodie off and be outside soaking up the sun again. I'm so used to it from being down south all winter that it's weird for me to be in a jacket and a toque and multiple layers. Don't like it. Don't want it. So yeah, this summer's travels, I haven't even decided what I'm doing yet. I might go northern BC again or the Yukon even.
I don't know. I really liked Dawson City when I was up there last year. Not just because of the sourdough cocktail thing, but it was a cool little town with all the wooden boardwalks and everything. I really liked it up there. So yeah, we'll see and figure that out sooner or later. I think after today, I'm packing up from here and I might head to the mainland tomorrow or Friday. I haven't decided yet, but I'm going to make my way to Revelstoke since I have to vote on Monday anyway, and I want to see my daughter and son-in-law and hang out with them a bit before I figure out what I want to do. Oh yeah, that's another thing I want to do when I'm there is they have a covered garage area. It's tall enough for me to pull the van under, so I want to replace some of the die-core sealant on some things. With the van being almost 8 years old, I think some of the caulking has gone a little crusty on me, so I got to clean that up. And anybody got any clue on how to what the best thing to use on a painted van surface is to clean that stuff up? I don't want to use mineral spirits or anything like that and ruin the paint or the finish. I heard gasoline works well, so I might try that because I do have a Turnabond tape on some areas because I was getting some leaks on the sunroof last year. So I got to check that out. First, coffee. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Nice. Hi, Uma, chewing on a stick. She's so happy to be back in grass and not desert sand and cactus and have twigs to chew on and stuff. But yeah, I think that's it for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, thanks to all the new subscribers from Chrome's channel. And of course, all my OG subscribers. I still love you guys. And that's it. We'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. See you guys later. Take care.